So today, what we are going to learn is how we can capture Facebook lead ad responses, then add them to Google Sheets and send notifications to respective sales member over WhatsApp and Gmail. So let's just start. Select Facebook lead ads as our trigger. Then let's choose get all leads as trigger event. Now we have to establish a connection. So let's just click on create new connection. Let's enter the name for the connection and let's just click on link an account. Continue with the rest of the procedure and then let's select the Facebook page from which we are capturing the details. Next, toggle all to yes to give Quickwork permissions to perform the task. Once done, your connection will be established. Now, after which we have to select a page ID and a form. Now we are ready with our trigger. Now, in steps, we have to add actions to accomplish the task. First, we have to select logger as we need date for the transaction to keep track of. Now let's just add message. It's a simple JavaScript code, then make sure to switch to formula mode. Next, we have to add data into a spreadsheet. For this, select Google Sheets. Let's just choose add row as action. Click on create a new connection. Add name to this connection and click on link an account. Now, let's just select our Gmail account, then click on allow to establish the connection. Now, let's select the appropriate spreadsheet and sheet. Add fields using Facebook lead ads and logger app data. Now, after this, we'll have to send an email notification to the respective sales member. For this, select Gmail. For our action, let's select send email. Please remember this function is only available for business email ID. So add a business email account. Then click on allow to establish the connection. Now let's just add recipient's mail ID, then let's just type in the subject. And using write app data, draft a message to send. And at last, we have to send a message to WhatsApp to inform sales members about his new lead. So let's just select WhatsApp by Zoco. Then choose send template message. Let's just click on link an account. Let's name our connection. Now we have to add the API, and to get the API, we need to follow the steps in the description. Now, after doing that, click on link an account. Add recipient's phone number. Select your template type. Choose the right template ID. See, this is how our message template looks like. Now we have to add parameters using write app data. Once done, we are ready with our journey. Now click on start journey. Now let's go to Facebook where I'll just fill up a form. Here we are using a standard form just to show you the output. Click on the form preview and fill in the details. Now click on next and submit the form. Once done, user details will be added in the Google Sheets. Next, sales member will receive a WhatsApp message with lead details. Also, they'll receive a mail with the corresponding details. In this way, we can implement a workflow solution to add Facebook lead ads responses to Google Sheets and then notify users about them. I hope you like this demo. To know more and to get help, visit quickwork.co. you.